Hello, my name is Myke Sanders, and I'll be talking about questions and answers inside Simply Be Found. Now, questions and answers are literally what they are, questions with answers. Now, you can generate questions, or customers and people searching for you can create questions. Either way, this is a way for you to get information out to your customers. So if you have things that people are constantly asking you, you can create the question, you can create the answer, and then you post it out. And that way you're giving information to the customers. This increases your engagement. It also increases your reputation, because if customers are asking your questions and you are responding, it shows that you're working with your customers and you're going to rank higher in all the platforms as far as your SEO value goes. Now, with our platform, if you have any questions that come in, we will actually display here any unanswered questions in your to-do list, so you can answer them from here without having to go too far into your questions answered. Now, you've got your total questions, you responded, you're not responded, and you can see the details right here in all of them. Okay? You can search, you can sort, you can filter. Now, if you want to create your own question, very simple. You create, you type in your question right here. See, let's go. Who put the bop in the bop, bop, she bop, bop, shabop, shabop. There's your question. Being a little silly. And you can write your answer here. I want to know the man. And then you can publish the question right there. And that's really all you got to do for creating your question. If you want to, you can schedule this. So if you've got something related to Memorial Day, 4th of July, or Christmas, you can schedule the question to go out then. Or you can just save it as a draft and come back later and create it then. So here we go. We saved it as a draft. You now have the draft right there. Let's see. Hold on. Filter. Let's see. Sort by. Draft right here. There's your draft. If you want to, you can then view it. You can edit it and create the outgoing message, and that's it. All right. So that's all you need to know for questions and answers. Have a good day.